In this video, I'll guide you through how to withdraw money from Etrade. Whether you're planning to access your funds for personal use or reinvest them elsewhere, it's essential to understand the process of withdrawing money from your Etrade account. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to your Etrade account. You can do this through the website or the mobile app, whichever you find more convenient. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard, which is your starting point for managing your funds. Next, navigate to the transfer section. This is where you'll manage any movement of money in or out of your account. After you've accessed the transfer section, look for the option that says Transfer Money. This option will allow you to initiate the process of withdrawing your funds. Now, it's time to choose the accounts involved in the transfer. Start by selecting your Etrade account as the one you're transferring money from. It's important to ensure that you're selecting the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts on the platform. Once you've selected the source account, it's time to choose the destination. You'll want to select the linked bank account where you want to receive the funds. If you haven't already linked a bank account to your Etrade account, you'll need to do so before proceeding with the transfer. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Be sure to double-check this amount to avoid any mistakes. Remember, precision is key when dealing with your financial transactions. After entering the withdrawal amount, you'll need to choose the transfer date. Some people prefer to schedule their transfers for a specific date, while others might want the transfer to happen as soon as possible. Once you've made your choice, take a moment to review all the withdrawal details. Before finalizing everything, tap on Preview Transfer. This step is crucial as it allows you to verify all the information you've entered. Make sure that everything looks correct, including the accounts and the withdrawal amount. If everything checks out, go ahead and confirm the transfer request. Once you've submitted it, your part is done, and you'll just need to wait for the funds to be processed and sent to your linked bank account. It's worth noting that transfer times can vary. Typically, withdrawals from Etrade take a few business days to complete, so be patient as your funds make their way to your bank account. And that's how you withdraw money from Etrade. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more confident managing your financial transactions. Thanks for watching.